Hello tech friends, welcome back to Sobat IT, the channel that always brings you the latest tech updates. In 2025, Xiaomi once again proves itself as a brand that truly understands what we need, from students and gamers to professional creators. With a strategy that combines budget-friendly prices and powerful features, Xiaomi keeps reminding us great technology should be accessible to everyone. And today, we're diving into the 8 best Xiaomi smartphones of 2025. So if you're hunting for a new device, stay tuned. One of these might be the perfect match for you. First up, the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. This is the perfect choice for those who hate waiting. With 120-watt fast charging, the battery goes from 0 to full in just minutes. Super handy for busy people who are always on the go. The camera is stunning, a 200-megapixel sensor with OIS delivering crisp and clear shots even in low light. The 1.5K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling and gaming buttery smooth. And under the hood, the Snapdragon 7S Gen 3 chip gives you fast, reliable performance, ideal for students, creators, or professionals who need power at their fingertips. Second, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. If photography and videography are your top priorities, this is your ultimate device. Featuring a 200-megapixel Leica co-engineered camera, your shots will look sharp, vibrant, and natural, perfect for content creators on Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. It sports a 6.73-inch 2K AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, delivering stunning visuals. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite and up to 16 GB of RAM, this beast handles heavy video editing and top-tier gaming with ease. Add in a large battery with both fast and wireless charging, and you've got a premium flagship ready to last all day. Third, the Redmi Note 14 5G. This is the smart choice for anyone wanting to experience 5G without breaking the bank. It offers a 6.79-inch AMOLED FHD Plus display at 120Hz, great for streaming or gaming. The 108-megapixel OIS camera produces stable, sharp photos. Powered by the Dimensity 7205 Ultra, it's energy-efficient yet powerful. Combine that with a 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging, and you've got a reliable device for everyday use. Fourth, the Redmi 14C. For those on a budget but still looking for value, this entry-level phone delivers big. It packs a 6.88-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate, a feature rarely seen at this price point. The 50-megapixel AI portrait camera is good enough for daily snaps. Running on the Helio G81 Ultra with a 5,160 mAh battery, it's a solid option for students or as a dependable secondary device. Fifth, the Xiaomi 15. If you prefer a compact and ergonomic design, this is the one. Its 6.36-inch LTPO display fits perfectly in one hand. But don't be fooled by the size. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, this compact phone performs like a true flagship. The triple 50-megapixel Leica camera system ensures pro-level shots. Add in 90-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, plus IP68 water and dust resistance, and you get a powerful yet pocket-friendly device for active users. 6. The Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G. This one shines in the mid-range category. Imagine getting a 200-megapixel OIS camera at this price point. That's impressive. The 1.5K AMOLED display with 3000 nit peak brightness makes it easy to use outdoors. Powered by the Dimensity 7300 Ultra with a 5,110 mAh battery, it's built for daily tasks and light gaming with no problem. 7th, the Redmi 13. Stylish and modern, this phone is perfect for students and young users. It comes with a 6.79-inch display at 90Hz, smooth enough for everyday scrolling. The 108-megapixel camera captures great photos for social media. Backed by the Helio G81 Ultra with 8 GB of RAM, it handles multitasking with ease. Plus the 5,030 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging makes sure it lasts all day. Finally, the Redmi Note 14 4G. If 5G isn't on your list, this phone still packs premium value. It features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display at 120Hz, a 108-megapixel camera, and a huge 5,500 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging. Powered by the Helio G99 Ultra, it's stable and efficient, making it an excellent choice for students, families, or anyone who just wants reliable performance at an affordable price. In summary, the 2025 Xiaomi lineup clearly shows how committed the brand is to inclusive innovation. From displays, performance, and battery life to camera quality, Xiaomi has something for everyone. Whether you want speed, style, affordability, or pro-level photography, there's always a Xiaomi device designed just for you. So no matter if you're a student, a gamer, or a creator, Xiaomi makes sure advanced technology stays within reach without sacrificing quality. Thanks so much for tuning in. We hope this video helps you find your perfect Xiaomi device in 2025. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sobat IT so you won't miss the latest tech updates. See you in the next video.